Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard camera mode. From here let's go to the top at the center. When we tap here, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this button here from the right to open the camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down to the composition category, and now at the first place we can see framing hints, so this is our leveler. By using the button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here in the center we can see this leveler. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And this is how to use this, as you can see. And of course when we don't need it, we have to tap again to the center, to the right, slide down here and use framing hints to turn it off. So for now our leveler has gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.